Hi, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast and easy? If you do, stay tuned. In these lessons, I use this kind of 成语 and sentences to get learn Chinese. And the 成语 is always forward combined together. They usually tells you a situation, a story, sometimes even tells you a history. And I use 成语 to make sentence. Of course, I make it as simple as possible, so you can use in your life. Okay, and the sentences are from the Bible. All right, let's have fun now. And we're on Matthew chapter 9, 马太福音第9章第24. Okay, I'm going to use one hand to count 24. Okay, let's say this is 20, 24句话 sentence 考的话. And this is a homework from last video. We're going to start with our 成语 first. 金进 is all, everything. 是欧收 is receive. 一安眼 is our eye. 的一底 is bottom or ending. This 成语 it describes that all the scenery comes into view. I make sentence 每 sentence 我靠的造句 okay 自凹造基于句造句 okay 治安站 is standing 自哀在 is on 是安山特欧头山头 okay 山 is a mountain 头 is our head, but in this case it's talking about the 山头 so it's on the top of the mountain. Okay, 青青 actually this is another 成语青青是安山 okay another 山 okay 乐于绿是为水水 is water okay 青山绿水 okay 青山 the mountain has trees so it's green mountains and the 绿 okay 绿 is green the color green but there really means clear water okay this is 水 so water 尽收眼底 okay 站在山头青山绿水尽收眼底 okay let's go with our sentence 他 is a he here talking about Jesus 是我说 is said 特微退其余去不罢退去 is go away 罢 is expression 退去吧这 is the or this 那与女和爱孩女孩子 girl 不是不是 okay 不是 in English it should be I know the opposite is not right but in Chinese we say 不是 so not is okay 死了死了 is dead 是 is but in this case in English is but 是为睡之熬着了睡着了 is asleep or sleeping 他们他们 is they 其有就 is them 吃嬉傲笑吃笑 is laughing at 他 is him 他说退去吧这女孩不是死了是睡着了他们就嗤笑她 We have a new lessons. This one is too short so I combine them together. So we're still on Matthew chapter 9, 25 and 26. Okay, I'm going to use one hand to count these numbers, okay? So 20, let's say this is 20, 25, okay, 25. So 20, okay, 20, 26句话 sentence 考的话 okay so this is two sentences and we have a new 成语呜 yes I didn't give you any clue because this is too simple I want you to have fun too so okay 诗字通通无师自通 okay same thing when you find this 成语 you're going to put WSZT you're going to find 无师自通 okay Okay guys, we're gonna practice right our 成语无师自通 通。Okay, let's study our new sentence. 知翁重，日安人，众人。得欧兜，不 A 背。各安赶，吃无出，其余去，赶出去。一耶，四无苏，耶稣。基优就，基因进，其余去，进去。了阿拉，这这，拉着。那一女和哀孩的，女孩的。是欧手 Remember last time we learned 手 is our hand. 那一女和哀孩女孩 Remember 女孩 is a girl. 基优就其一起乐哀来乐起来了。一无余诗是于是。这发恩风是恩山风声。吃我安传播一安变乐传遍了。那阿那得一地佛安方那地方，众人都被赶出去。耶稣就进去，拉着女孩的手，女孩就起来了。于是这风声传遍了那地方。Guys, let's practice read our sentence. 众人。Yes, see, this is 3人。人 we know is person, right, or people. So 众人 okay, 众 is like many people. 都被赶出去。耶稣就进去，拉着。I'll give you a little clue about this part. Usually this represents action from hand, for example, hit or hold. Okay, we use this part. When you see this, it must be related to your hand. 女孩的。手 is our hand. 女孩 is a girl. 就起来了。于是这风声传遍了那地方。当 we're gonna have fun. Homework is fun, okay? Homework we call it 家庭作业. Okay? Download a translator if you are new. Translate each single word. Only if I'm on the line, you can check them together. That way helps you remember easier. Write 2 times and read 30 times. Of course, the more you write, the better for you. This is just for people who has job. I mean, when they work, they don't have so much time, okay? Read 30 times, you don't want to miss it, because time goes by, you will speak like me. Watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. I have one here. It's called 射雕英雄传. Actually, I found recently I watched another one. It's very fun, but the subtitle they translated is not good, so I don't want to make you more confused. Of course, you can watch something else too if you find something interesting and it helps you, okay? I hope you guys have fun with your homework, and if you find the value of my video, give me thumbs up. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. Alright, I will see you next Friday.